You ask for a hairdresser to cut like 1 centimeter or 1 inch, and they are cutting like this much. Hey beauties, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to cut your own hair, straight blonde cut. But before starting, guys, don't forget to boop the like button, okay? And subscribe for more hair related videos. This is actually so useful for those girls that are growing out their hair. You ask for a hairdresser to cut like 1 centimeter or 1 inch, and they are cutting like this much. Yes, I know, sometimes it happens. So if you don't trust any hairdresser, or your hair artist is not in the country like mine, she's traveling the world, you know, you cannot wait, you have that fried ends that needs to go down. First things first, I'm using professional scissors. I'll recommend you to buy professional scissors for beginners. Those will be the easiest for you to make any type of cutting you like, because if you want to make a point cutting or something like that, and you want to repeat my bangs from today because this was a kind of a failure. I'm a hairdresser, so I plan to cut a little bit, but I did cut it more. Now I'll have to do something with it. I don't know what I'll do with it because it's in my eyes. I don't know how girls are like sexy posing like that, because it is annoying. For cutting your own hair at home, you'll need scissors, a comb, and yes, some elastics. I just prefer rubber elastics because this will hold your hair much better than fabric ones and another types that are sliding, you know. This will stay in place, especially when your hair is wet. If you cut your bangs, or just in case you need some clips, I prefer to cut my hair on wet hair, especially if you have frizzy hair, curly, wavy. Some prefer to make it on dry hair. I like to make it on wet hair, especially the first cut, straight line. Then you can cut it again on dry hair already. On wet hair, you don't have any hair going here and there, you know. It will sit the way you position it. Now, let's get started.
This is my hair before I did curl it. But before starting cutting your hair, first things first, we have to wash our hair. This is not sponsored by any means. This is my all-time favorite Indola keratin filler, and I'll distribute it through my hair and I'll brush it well. Then I'll make my straight parting, and then I'll make sure to brush very well my hair using different combs. So this way I make sure that my hair is totally detangled, and I'll bring all my hair back like I'm showing, and using our rubber band we want to start tying our elastics. But guys, make sure to bring your chin a little lower like I'm showing, or your head. This way, if something is wrong, you'll cover it later on with the rest of your hair. Make sure to tie your first elastics in the center, low, very low like I'm showing. This is very important. And then we want to follow our elastics like I'm showing. So my last elastics is very low. As you can see, I'll cut my straight line below that last elastic and not above, because this way I'm controlling everything. I'll recommend it to cut behind that elastic, okay? When you see that your hair is pretty straight, you want to unravel your elastics like that. So if you want only this straight cut, you're done. If not, guys, I wanted to adjust my curtain bangs because I did it before and it was on side parting, so I needed to adjust it. So first I'm deciding how much of my hair will be my bangs, and then I'm selecting as a sub mini triangle section, and this will be my and this will be my guideline. Then we want to release all the rest of my bangs, and now we will cut like the lower edge of our bangs, like that. Making again our straight parting and selecting one side, we want to make a parallel line from our parting, and we'll cut from the very top, from our base triangle subsection to our lower strand. I hope this makes sense. We'll make an angle this way. I'll point cut it, and afterwards I'll use my shear that will make even thinner my bangs, but you can still point cut it a little deeper, but make sure to be very careful and not cut yourself. Okay, I'll dry my hair, I'll blow dry my hair, and I decided to use a hair straightener so my hair is pretty straight, because it's wavy and it's hard to see how to cut the front layers. So I'm selecting behind our ears my hair and I'll bring it forward, and at this point I'll make sure to cut that fried ends like that from both sides. This blunt cut works very well for those that has front layers like I do, so this way, if you have them, so definitely this is your haircut that you can do yourself at home.
Don't forget to follow the steps, and I'll recommend you to not miss the part when I'm bringing my head a little down. This way, in case you are doing something wrong, you'll not see, okay? Don't forget to boop that like button. Subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Let me know in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like to see on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, and love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!